Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. You have to start by open HUAWEI AI Life application, but on iOS you can also use HUAWEI Connect app, it's the newest app. Open it, then add AI Life. Tap at your headphones at the device list, and you will see your headphones menu. Now, on both applications, scroll down, and at the left bottom, you will find Update button. Click at this button, and it checks for updates. It said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this window, you can update it. You can click at the check for updates again, and it check again, but the same information. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.